Hi guys, welcome to the next step. So you just watched a video about the sticky eye. Our spelling words this week contain the sticky eye. After you've watched this video, please complete the 2 assigned workbook pages in your Reading Street notebook. Then upload a picture of it to Seesaw plus Portal, or you can email it to me. Okay, let's get started. Nation is a noun. The president will speak to the nation tonight. Special can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, they always made a special effort at Christmas. As a noun, the Oscars is a special night for Hollywood. Lotion is a noun. Itching can be relieved with calamine lotion. Mansion is a noun. There is an old mansion on the hill. Precious can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, that artwork is precious. As a noun, don't be frightened, my precious child. Creation is a noun. This picture is a creation of a great artist. Vacation can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, she took a vacation in the south of France. As a verb, I was vacationing in Europe with my family. Tension can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, the parachute keeps the cable under great tension as it drops from the sky. As a verb, a mind that is affected by stress or tension cannot think as clearly. Especially, I love all the colors, especially yellow. Motion can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it's dangerous to stand when the bus is in motion. As a verb, he made hand motions to get our attention. Tradition is a noun. Every culture has their special tradition. Gracious is an adjective. The princess had the most gracious smile. Even though she fell, she finished her routine and was gracious to everyone. Extension is a noun. I'm going to need an extension on my project. My dog, I need another extension cord. Addition is a noun. She began with simple arithmetic, addition and then subtraction. Caution can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, anyone receiving a strange package should exercise extreme caution. As a verb, caution when driving or walking on this path. Official can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, a policeman is a government official. As a verb, the handshake has made the agreement official. Solution is a noun. Tom has been racking his brain for a solution to the problem. Suspension is a noun. School will remain on suspension for the rest of this month. Politician is a noun. Franklin is a politician in Washington. Portion is a noun or a verb. As a verb, we all receive the same portion. As a noun, a portion of people have a balanced meal. Comprehension is a noun. Each chapter in the book is followed by about a dozen comprehension questions. Contraction. The miniature poodle is a contraction of the normal size poodle. Physician is a noun. The physician prescribed his patient some medicine and lots of rest. Artificial. Some outdoor soccer fields are made of artificial grass. Competition is a noun. This weekend is the running competition. These are the 2 workbook pages you'll find inside of your Reading Street notebook. Thanks for listening. Good luck, and we'll keep in touch.